taking your breather gasket from Fusion to the laser cutter, part one. So we have our gasket now here completed, and I'm just going to turn this canvas on because you don't have this, and you can see my gasket. And yours should look like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn the body off here, and it leaves the actual just sketch or drawing of it. And over here under sketches, you can see I have sketch one. I'm going to right mouse click. I can go save as DXF. From here, save to my computer, I'm going to go and put it to my downloads directory. So if you're not set up for downloads, you're going to go find under this PC downloads. Okay. And I'm going to type a name and I'm going to call this Gasket. Okay. And just simple enough Gasket, and click on save and save it, and it's gone. Okay. So I've already done it and it's done. Okay. So now I'm going to minimize Fusion. And I've already started it up, but this program is called Inkscape. So you're going to start Inkscape up. And from here, what you're going to do is import. And I stress import the actual gasket. So I go to File. I go to Import. From Import, I go to my OneDrive. I go and find Downloads. And there's my gasket. So click on it and open. Now, in here, scale factor, you have to put 25.4 because it's going to go from millimeters up to inches. So we got our scale factor of 25.4 that you've typed in. We click on OK. You may have this screen pop up. Change this number. I think yours is 96. Change it to 300 because it just gives you a better quality of an image. And we click on OK. And here our image comes in. So now that our image is in, we have to do something. Most likely your screen is going to start looking like this. Okay, and we need to change this to the color red. And also, if you zoom into here, so I'm going to hold the control key down, and I'm going to scroll in. Okay, and you see how I can't pick that line in the middle. So what I'm going to do is basically right mouse click, and I'm going to go ungroup. And when I go ungroup, I can now pick that line. Now, the next thing is I'm going to highlight everything. I'm going to go to Object, and I'm going to go Fill and Stroke. From the fill and stroke, I'm going to click on the stroke paint. You have to change yours to RGB right here. And you have to put this all the way to 255. So it should be 255, 00, 100. Okay. And once that's done, you can see that it's all red. Then there's a stroke style. And the stroke style, you're going to change this one here to inches. And this is going to be width is 0.001. And I'm going to hit enter. Okay, now you have it at the right size that we want to be able to print. So at this point in time, I'm going to go File. I'm going to go Save As. From Save As, we're going to change this type to Portable Document Format, PDF. We're going to call it Gasket again. And then I'm just going to hit Save and OK, and we save it. And we're going to stop the tutorial here, and we'll do the second part of the tutorial in the next video, obviously.